Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to get this purple and blue look that's dramatic and perfect for spring. So I'm going to start off with the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm going to apply that all over my eyes to use as a base for my eyeshadow so they can be super bright and super pigmented. Now I'm taking the Coty Airspun powder and I'm using that to set the concealer so none of my shadows crease and they can blend super nice. Now I'm taking Go Girl from the Profusion Wanderlust palette and I'm applying this in the crease as my transition shade, sorry. Also, disregard my voice, I am sick, I'm getting over a cold, which is why there wasn't a video last week. I'm just really taking my time building up the intensity of the pink because I don't want to get lost. I don't want it to get lost in the next color I apply, which is going to be Regal from the same palette. Right now I'm just patting it in with a more dense brush, just putting it where I want it to be, and then I'm going to take a small tapered blending brush and really define the crease with that color. Now I'm going to take the same concealer I used to prime my eyes and I'm going to use that to cut my crease. I really take a long time with this because I have hooded eyelids and my eyelids are different shapes, so it takes me a long time to carve my crease out. I have to open and close my eyes, make sure that I am, placing it where it's supposed to be, and then I have to go back and forth between the same eyes to make sure that they look the same. Like I said, I'm going back and forth between the eyes to make sure that they are the same shape. Now I'm taking, I don't know what the shadow is, I didn't even show it to the camera, but it's a shimmery shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette. And I'm just applying that where I put the concealer. And then going back and forth to make sure that they have the same shape. Now I'm taking the same purple color and I'm putting that in the outer corners, blending it up into the crease. I'm also using it to blend the edges of the gold eyeshadow so it's not harsh lines, and then going back in with the gold eyeshadow. Alright, so now I'm just going to do my face. This is the same face routine that I used in my foundation routine. The only thing that is different is I used a color corrector from Wet n Wild because my under eyes were looking kind of dark. I'm just going to speed it up. I really love watching base applications, so I'm going to leave it in here. So jumping back into the eyes, I'm going to take Enigma from the same palette, and I'm going to use that to line under the eyes. And then I'm going to take Splash, and I'm going to put this more in the waterline. This is not for sensitive souls. This definitely irritated my eye a little bit. Then I'm going to take a little fluffy brush and just blend the two together. Now I'm taking these lashes from Eyelure, they're the Jaybee lash. I don't know if it's Eyelure or if it's just these lashes, but they suck. They're just, the style is really pretty, but the lash is so stiff and it just stands like out instead of up, and I feel like it kind of ruined the look a little bit. I'm using the Covergirl Exhibitionist mascara here. Using the NYX Lip Lingerie in After Hours, and then I'm using the Broadway lip gloss in Wave. I'm just applying that in the center of the lip to give it a little bit of dimension. And that is it for the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. So leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe to see new videos in your inbox every week. Bye.